Okay, so hi guys, so welcome to the next vlog. So today I got home really late, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tell you what happened on Halloween and my general story. I got home late for Halloween as well yesterday, so the Halloween costume I went with in the end was the Pikachu hat because it was the one everyone said in the comments on Facebook and on the comments on YouTube. And yeah, so I went with the Pikachu hat. I wore this. I was inside the house the whole time. One person called around trick-or-treating. So I actually have loads of sweets left. I have almost a full box plus I got like I have a few Twixes and buttons and stuff in here. So if anybody knows me and they know where I live, you can come and get these sweets if you want, or else I'm eating them for the whole month. So yeah, that's them. Some person in the last video actually asked me, they didn't know what the shirt was, so I was on about the Superman shirt I was wearing, what is the kind of sound? Oh, and a cool, they said I had a cool song and stuff. So yeah, those songs are, most of my songs actually come from NCS, no copyright sounds, and some of them come from no copyright vlog music, and then some come from SoundCloud where I just look for anything that says no copyright, or I look for things that say you're allowed to use as long as you put something in the description or whatever. Right, another person on the last video said that it was a good video and they felt like they were trying to figure out things last minute for Halloween. I think everybody tries to figure out things for Halloween last minute, unless like it's obviously a real staple holiday for your family. For most families, I think Halloween in Ireland anyways is always on a back foot to a lot of other holidays. It's too close to Christmas, so people start thinking about Christmas, and it falls on awkward days relative to holidays, usually. When someone said I was their favorite YouTuber, which was a really nice comment in the comments in the last video. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Basically, for the rest of Halloween, I spent calling my girlfriend, and we had a big conversation for about an hour. And then I finished off Halloween by watching the fireworks, and I managed to catch some of them on video, so here they are. Are you happy now? It's all my hair, it's all greasy and it's sticking up and everything. It's basically like gel. Watch. God, yeah. It's probably from wearing the hat all night. Okay. Well. Okay, guys. So I'll see you in the next one. Good luck and have a great day. I'll see you on Friday. please hit that subscribe button to help me hit my next goal of 2,000 subscribers. Every subscriber helps. Okay, so see you in the next one. Good luck and have a great day.